Okay, so I just got home 5 minutes ago. My mom is in the shower, but when my mom is done, she always uses a hair dryer, which this is hers that I have taken. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put baking powder in the top, and when she's gonna use it, it's gonna blow all over her. A very simple prank, but the reaction is gonna be priceless. Now let's go plan this out. Okay, so we got this contraption when I was in the shower. Hopefully she does not come out anytime soon. I just need to clean this up because as you can see it's spilling through the bottom, which is not fucking good at all. Now we're just gonna clean around it and clean the top so she cannot see anything at all. I'll clean it a lot better once this video cuts, but yeah, hopefully this works. If it doesn't, I won't upload it, simple as that. So I'm gonna hide it in here. Hopefully she does not find it, because if I ruin this prank, I don't think there's gonna be any pranks to the channel, because if she finds out, she's gonna know everything's a prank after this.
Is that? Taste your own medicine, huh?
I got a meeting this morning.
Mom, okay. What the hell? Okay, Mom. Mom, it's a prank.
What? I have a business meeting this morning.
I get it. How is that? How is that? Taste your own medicine.
I can't believe you would do that. I gotta go to the shower again. I got it all in my hair now. Oh my
Okay, you just wash your hair.
I got it all over here.
It worked! I'm really surprised that prank actually worked, because downstairs I was using the blow dryer and it wasn't even really shooting anything out of it, even if I put it on full blast. If you guys want more pranks, just leave a like, share the video, and I will have a lot more.
I'll never stop.